Few scripts today to help manage Ninja Remote in the NinjaOne agent. Every once in a while they don't behave properly, so we built some automation to help manage it from NinjaOne. Um, First off, you can't have NinjaOne repair itself. So what we've done is we've created kind of a watchdog scheduled task that runs very gently in the background and determines if the agent is behaving and is healthy. When it's not healthy, it automatically repairs it and restarts the service, etc. And that's what the watchdog one is. Then we also have this remote reset streamer sessions automation and check stale streamer sessions. And that's because we noticed when Ninja Remote sessions would get closed improperly a few times in a row on different devices, access to those devices would start to become spotty. As a result, we have something that monitors it with the check stale streamers, and then we have something that cleans it up automatically, preventing any issues.